Playing house looked different in my mind. Didn't have blankets for tables or candles instead of a light, but cozy corners hold more than I could dream. There's not a price that I could pay for all of the things that I feel. No, it's not perfect, but it's ours. As long as we're under the same stars, we could have a penthouse with an ocean view, but that wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause all that I need is 100 square feet and you. We'll put on a record, forget about the roof, dance around all of the pots and pans. Home is what I see in you. Wine and IKEA glasses, I'll wash and you'll dry. 'Cause a broken dishwasher means more of you by my side. No, it's not perfect, but it's ours. As long as we're under the same stars, we could have a penthouse with an ocean view, but that wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause all that I need is 100 square feet and loud floors and stuck doors and siren sounds at 2 a.m. The pipes leak, there's no heat. The neighbor's dog goes off again, but can't get enough of it. Crazy but loving it, not in a dollhouse anymore. So much more. No, it's not perfect, but it's ours. As long as we're living life here under the same stars, we could have a penthouse with an ocean view, but that wouldn't change a thing. 'Cause all that I need is 100 square feet and you. Yeah, all that I need is 100 square feet and you.
This dance is called 100 Square Feet, choreographed by Lee Hamilton. It's a 3-2 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8-count, line dance. Let's one restart with a change step in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side lunge, full turn to your left. Quarter turn left, recover, half turn left, stepping together, quarter turn left, stepping to side with a 3. Quarter turn right, diamond far away, cross, side, 1/8 turn right, stepping back, back, 1/8 turn right, stepping to side, touch, side, touch, side. Section 2, forward with a 3. Cross, 1/8 turn right, stepping to side, together, facing 430. 3/8 turn left, diamond far away. Cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, 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 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, square up to 12 o'clock. Syncopated weave, cross, side, behind, side. Section 3, crosswalk, recover, together, crosswalk, recover, 3/8 turn left, stepping forward, facing 730. Step forward, pivot half turn left, make another half turn left, stepping back. Big back step and drag your right foot back together. Section 4, forward, 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 recover, behind, 1/8 turn left, stepping to side, cross, side, kick right foot to right diagonal, ball, cross, unwind, full turn, right. Keep weight on your left foot. Side together. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1. There's one restart with a changing step in this dance. On wall 3, you dance up to 16 count with a changing step. Wall 3, you'll be facing front wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change to cross. Unwind, full turn left, then keep weight on your left foot. And then restart the dance. 1. Last wall 3 with restart. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.